This is my grandma, Diana. She turned 95 in March. She lived in Poway, California for 67 years and made such an impact that she was in the San Diego Union Tribune when she moved to assisted living in Washington State here near her great-grandkids. She's the oldest of 4 generations of creative and neurodiverse family. One of her many special interests is trains. She had a garden railroad where she painted rock buildings and even drove the train at her local park. Her place here is too small for that, but a couple of years ago, at a train fair, I saw a Z-scale Suitcase train and thought one would be perfect for her. But it was only this year that I thought of the perfect layout. Old Poway Park, where she was the first woman certified as an engineer on their steam train, volunteered at the Heritage House, led the women's club, sold her crafts at the Saturday market, and even directed plays in Templars Hall, where my mom also got married and the guests rode the train. I brought the idea up to my family and they all pitched in. My Aunt Robin took pictures of the park, nephew Griffin designed and 3D printed the buildings, cousin Chase helped with the background, and others contributed financially. It took a while to get the final track parts, but today I was finally able to finish, and we were able to gather family both distanced and remotely to share. Hi, Grandma.
You guys just ring the doorbell when you're all done, okay?
Okay. Over here, Grandma. It's over here.
Oh, there's more people on the computers too.
We have Robin and Mom and Lloyd and Grandpa and Dad over here, but it's over here.
Can you see this? Can you see them on the screen? Do you see who's there? Come over this way.
Yeah.
You see Robin and Mom and Lloyd and Dad and Kit.
So here it is, Grandma. Ready?
Ready? Come over here. Ready?
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Do you recognize where it is?
It looks familiar.
It's Old Poway Park.
That's what I thought. My goodness.
Here's where Mom and Lloyd got married, and you had. I remember going to luncheons with you, and over in this building where I went with you to your women's club.
I unplugged this part because I didn't want the controller out. So we just plug it
Oh,
in.
those tiny cars. Oh my goodness.
Aren't they tiny?
What's the gauge?
Z scale.
Z-scale, that's right.
So it's I saw the idea of a suitcase train a while back, and I thought it'd be fun to make for you, but then I didn't think of what to make until that last year, and then I thought Old Poway Park would be perfect.
Because it fits perfectly.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Somebody go get Gavin who's still here.
Oh yeah.
So Robin took pictures of all the buildings for us, and Griffin, he made these buildings. He designed them in 3D printed them,
Griffin 3D printed the buildings to scale to
Wow.
the size.
and then I painted them, and then Chase helped with the background here, and everybody else pitched in to get the materials.
Oh my. It's
And-
wonderful.
So that's some of these things were my friend gave me all the stuff for the landscape. You know, Robin Lowy, who lives right down the street.
The one who's brought you blueberries a couple of times. Remember her? So
She gave me all the stuff to make the landscape and the water.
she does modeling stuff, so she had that. And yeah,
And if you
Aurora's-
look at the map of, I have it there, you can't see it, but I basically used the aerial view of the park. She wanted to show it to the staff, and it turned out that the Postmates gal grew up in Poway.
Cat.
Look at
Oh my gosh. That's Old Poway
that's a
Park.
model of the park where she used to drive the train.
Oh my God!
That is so cool.
Did I hear you say Poway Park in San Diego?
Yep, that's where we're off in San Diego.
Oh, I lived in Poway.
My grandmother lived there up
For a
until she moved here
while.
a few years ago.
That's so cool. Yeah.
So the trains can store here. This can store inside if you want. And then this actually lines up. I'll let the pass. This actually puts the trains on the track for you.
Oh,
So you line it up here.
I don't want to put it away yet.
Nope, not yet.
I
So,
want
but
to set up in that room.
I would suggest that you have them move it flat for now.
I know, I saw at first I just saw the screen and then I saw the model. Wow, that a lot of work went into
She's
that.
been working on it.
This is a month of my life
She kept saying she needed the sun.
Oh my
to
goodness.
share it with you.
That is amazing.
So I was telling Grandma she might need.
My old Poway Park where I used to live.
Oh wow.
Where I used to drive the train.
That is
I used to
amazing.
drive that little train.
That is so special.
Yeah, she was the first female engineer on the train.
Wow.
So she.
We even caught a bit of a smile before the staff reminded her to pull it back up.
Can you pull up your mask, Diana? I know, it doesn't stay up very well. There you go. Wow. Well,
No, it's the walkie-talkie.
I have a couple minutes.
Okay, I just wanted to let you know
Yeah.
so in case she needs help getting it back
I'm sure
on
I'll probably
track.
call you in the future.
Yeah.
Definitely, we can get that. Just ring the doorbell.
So yeah, Griffin made all the buildings and I painted them. My painting is not great at this scale especially, so
Oh, we can really see it.
yeah.
I know.
Oh, Grandma, look what's
High
here.
school night.
What we didn't get caught on film was that Grandma insisted on giving me a masked hug. She'll be vaccinated shortly, so hopefully we can sit and enjoy it together soon.